Techno update. Subscribe now.
In terms of the looks, we have already seen this design a lot of times, as we have a display that takes almost the entire space of the front of the phone. The panel itself is really good overall. The build quality is very good too, and I have to say that the phone looks really nice and white, but you can also get a black color option. We have a dual camera setup on the back, in conveniently placed 8 megapixels interpolated shooter on the front, and nice buttons on the side. The fingerprint scanner is quite accurate, but the display could light up a little bit faster. Also, the phone does not have a headset jack and it lacks a notification LED light. Finally, the loudspeaker quality does not really. The phone ships with really good specifications for the price, but in reality, you may find the phone struggling even while playing some older 3D titles like Asphalt 8 on the highest graphics settings. You can play most of the games on reduced graphics, but I also found that the phone gets hot quickly. The phone runs Android 7, which is great, but I'm not a huge fan of the fact that Bluboo removed the app tray and customized the icons in a cartoonish way. On a positive side, the phone has quite a few features and customization options to play with, and most importantly, it runs fast and fluid. My favorite features include the ability to customize the navigation bar or simply use the home key. Also, I use a few gesture controls, but they are not always reliable. Finally, you can use fingerprint gestures, which work quite well. The overall image quality is just average. Sure, some of the pictures will look okay on social media, but pictures could definitely have more detail, sharpness, and the color reproduction is not always accurate. Selfie image quality does not impress either. 1080p video quality is just average, and the selfie videos are shot only in 480p, meaning that the quality is bad. As far as connectivity, I would rate the call quality above average, and other connectivity options work just fine. Also, the phone has a gyroscope for VR compatibility. You should expect to have a pretty much standard battery life on this phone. I was able to get about 5 hours of screen on time. However, it takes over 2.5 hours to fully charge the phone with a supply charger. The Bluboo S1 is yet another budget bezel-less phone that aims to deliver a lot of value for the price. For about $150, you indeed get a nice looking phone that works well on a daily basis. It has a decent battery life, and it has quite a few features in the UI. Just like on most of these budget phones, you should not expect to have stellar image quality. Also, the phone does not perform well while handling 3D games. Still, you get quite a lot for the price of the phone. Hopefully, my list of pros and cons helped you out, and if it did, please like the video, drop me a comment down below if you have any questions, and please subscribe to the channel